Good morning kids. In the last class, we learnt about the heavenly bodies, Big Bang theory and Earth. I hope you all did your activity. Today, we will continue from page number 3. We will discuss some important features of the continents. First, we will start with Asia. Here, you can see the continent Asia. It is one of the largest continent on the earth. It occupies 1/3 of the world's total land area. It stands first in population. Can you notice where India is located? It is here to the south of Asia. Asia continent is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the south. To the east lies the Pacific Ocean and to the north lies the Arctic Ocean. India and China are the famous countries of Asia. India is surrounded by Indian Ocean and two seas. You can see Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west. Sea is a part of ocean. Kids, which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. Now, let us see where it is located. It is located on the northern part of India and it lies on the border of Nepal and China. Asia continents have regions that have diverse climatic features such as heavy rainfall, moderate rainfall, low rainfall, extreme heat and so on. Aden is a dry place in Asia. Let us see where it is located. It is located in Yemen. It is the temporary capital of Yemen. Let us do an activity. You have to pause the video, go online and find out which all countries share international land boundaries with India, and you have to note down in your notebook. Once you are ready with the answer, play the video. I hope you got the answer. Let us check it. India shares its international land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Crops like paddy, wheat, maize are cultivated in Asia. Asia is the largest producer of paddy. So, these were some of the important features of Asia continent. Let us move to another continent, that is Africa. Here you can see Africa continent. It is the second largest continent on the earth. It consists of 54 countries and it stands second in population. You can see it is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the east, South Atlantic Ocean in the west and on the north you can see Mediterranean Sea. This land have diverse landforms. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in Africa. Let us see where it is located. You can see it covers nearly all the northern eastern part of Africa. Most of the lands here are desert. That is why agriculture is very less. Which is the longest river in the world? The Nile river is the longest river in the world. It is also known as international river because it flows through 11 countries. Now, there is an exercise. You have to pause the video, go online and find out those 11 countries and note it down in your notebook. Once you are ready with the answer, play the video. Now, let us check where Nile river is located. This is Nile river and it crosses 11 countries. Let us see which are those countries. First is Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania and Democratic Republic of Congo. So, these were some of the important features of Africa. Now, let us do an activity. You have to write 2 new features of Asia and Africa in your notebook. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.